Hey guys, it's TechNation Tutorials here, and I got a really cool, really awesome, really simple, really basic Visual Basics tutorial. This is going to be my first programming tutorial on this channel, so I'm very excited about it. And here goes nothing. So I opened up Visual Basics prior to recording or starting to record this video. So I'm just going to create a new project, and you can call it whatever you want. I'm probably just going to call mine Progress Bar once the dialog loads. And just warning you, my computer may flip out. If you've never seen my videos, I only have 2 gigs of RAM, so it's a tedious job to do program developing like this and screen recording in high def in the same time. So yeah, but I'm just gonna call mine progress bar. Okay, once you give that a name, go ahead and enter it. And you want to make sure it's Windows 4 application. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but that is very important. Go ahead and let that load. Sorry about that. And there's my computer. I warned you guys, it happens almost every video. I will pause you guys until it comes back. Okay, so everything's loaded up now, and I'm just going to change a couple of things. First, I'm going to change the size. You can make it to fit your fancy. I don't really mind. And second thing, I'm just going to remove all the text since we're not even going to save this project. And the third thing will be to turn show icon to false because they have a really not bad icon, but it's a very recognizable icon. And that can be an upfall or a good thing and a bad thing. So I don't know why my tools aren't all the way open, but the first thing you're going to need and the most important thing is a timer. So we're going to go ahead and add that and turn the interval to 1. And then another most important thing is definitely going to be a progress bar. And we can add that, and you can add it wherever. I'm just going to add mine to the top. And next thing we could do is we can add a menu strip, but we don't really need it, so I guess I won't. I'll do a more advanced progress bar. Now I know it's a progress bar, so it can't get very advanced, but I can add a couple of things that make it better, and I'll have a link to that video in the video description. Or you can go to my channel and just search advanced progress bar, or go to my website and just search advanced progress bar. So yeah. So after you have the progress bar, you're gonna need 3 buttons or 2 buttons actually. We'll just make these a little bit bigger, and I'll copy it and paste button number 2, and we will bring that down a little, and we can actually add a label, and this will just display how far it is or how done it is. So I actually might put that in between both of the buttons there, just because I want to and I feel like it. So, and it's my computer and I can do what I want. Okay, got it? Good. Okay, so I'm going to rename button 1 to start and button 2 to stop / reset. Okay, and I'm going to actually go back in here and just put a capital S on start because I like how the capital S looks at the beginning of the word. And for label 1, we can just go ahead and change that to, you can actually leave it blank like that, or we can do 0, and we'll center that first, and then we'll take away that, so it looks like that. Now you're not going to be able to see that label, but trust me, it is still there. So now onto the coding. So go ahead and double hit on the start button, which will bring you into the coding itself, and simple line of code is timer 1. We're going to call upon timer 1, and we're going to do dot start, and then your parentheses, or I don't know what those things are called. Drawn a blank. Sorry about that. And then you're gonna double hit stop, and you're gonna do timer 1 dot stop, and then those again. And then we're going to come in here, and we're going to double click on timer, and then we'll do progress bar, progress bar 1 dot increment, and inside there make sure to do 1. Increment equals 1. That should be okay. Yeah, that's good. I looked like it was coming up with an error, but it wasn't. Okay, then we're going to do label 1 dot text equals progress bar 1 or 1 dot value. Okay, and that is it. Now what we are going to do is on button 2, I forgot to add this, we're going to do after we stop the timer, we're going to set the progress bar down to progress bar 1 dot value will equal 0. So we'll set the value back to 0. Progress bar 1 dot value will sorry, I keep messing up. Dang. Okay. Progress bar 1 dot value equals 0. Sorry. I don't know what was so hard about that. Okay. Now we can just run it. That is it. It's really that easy. So this will come up and it just looks like this, and when we hit start you see it starts counting and it gets to 100%. We can hit stop and restart, start, and we could also go back in here and we can do label, whoopsie, go underneath here and do label 1 dot text equals, and just empty, leave that blank. And we can come back here and we can center label 1 a little bit more. That'll be good. And change it back. And now if you run the debug again, you will see that when we hit start, it starts counting until it reaches 100%. We hit stop, it resets the values back to 0. And you could even do a lot more. It's all up to you guys. You guys can give it background colors, font, size, whatever. You know, it's very basic, simple tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys join me for more tutorials in the nearby future. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe, and if you don't know me, my channel is about programming, web languages, Windows help, and just stuff. Like I might have videos of I will have videos of Photoshop. I will have videos of After Effects, and I will have videos of Visual Basics for sure. I also have a video on how to download YouTube videos on my channel. I also have multiple other videos, so feel free to check them out. I really like to do what I do, and I hope you guys like to watch my videos. And I will see you guys later. Hope you guys have a good day, night, morning, wherever you guys are at, whatever you guys are watching. Just see you guys later, and I hope to see you in more of my videos.